When it comes to dropshipping software, Digital River has been gaining attention, but is it really worth your investment? In this video, we'll cover 12 things you need to know before buying Digital River and how it stacks up against competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce. Stick around to find out if this is the right solution for you. First up, Digital River isn't just a dropshipping platform, it's a full e-commerce solution. While platforms like Shopify offer apps and integrations for dropshipping, Digital River provides an all-in-one suite. But is it flexible enough for your needs? Next thing, ease of use. Digital River is relatively user-friendly, but it's not as intuitive as Shopify. While Shopify's interface is designed to be plug-and-play, Digital River's dashboard can feel a bit more complex for beginners, especially if you're new to e-commerce. The third thing you need to know is its pricing structure. Digital River offers competitive rates, but you may find it more expensive than other platforms once you add the fees for payment processing and transaction costs. It's not the most transparent pricing model, so make sure to read the fine print. Next thing, integrations. Digital River offers a wide range of integrations, but it doesn't quite match up to Shopify's massive ecosystem. Shopify has a much larger app store, making it easier to find third-party tools that fit your specific needs. Digital River is a little more limited in this area. The fifth thing you need to know is customer support. Digital River does provide support, but the response time and quality of assistance aren't as quick or responsive as Shopify's renowned 24/7 support. If you run into a problem, it might take a bit longer to resolve. Now, let's talk about features. Digital River comes with several built-in tools like customizable checkout, tax management, and subscription billing, which can save you time. But compared to Shopify, some of these tools are less advanced or require additional customization. The seventh point is scalability. If your dropshipping business grows quickly, you'll want a platform that can handle the increased volume. Digital River can scale, but Shopify is often considered more scalable due to its global reach and vast resources. Next thing, ease of store setup. Digital River's setup process isn't overly complicated, but it does require more effort than competitors like BigCommerce or Shopify, where you can launch a store within minutes. Expect a bit more time spent getting things up and running on Digital River. The ninth thing is payment options. Digital River supports multiple payment gateways, but the setup process can be a little tricky, especially if you're accustomed to the simplicity of Shopify's payment setup. Next thing, shipping management. Digital River does provide shipping tools, but again, it's not as streamlined as Shopify or BigCommerce. You might find yourself needing to use third-party apps or custom integrations to get everything working smoothly. The 11th thing is security. Digital River offers strong security features, including PCI compliance, but so do other competitors. Shopify, in particular, is known for its robust security measures, making it a more trusted platform for many. Finally, while Digital River offers a solid solution for dropshipping businesses, there are platforms like Shopify that offer more robust features, better scalability, and easier integration. If you're looking for an even better solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.